Hi guys, it's another Sunday with Ribbon Talks. How you doing? I hope you're having a lovely weekend. Well, it's come to an end today. Happy Monday in advance. How you doing? How's everybody doing? I hope you're all good. So today we're talking about self-love, loving yourself, choosing you first, putting yourself above every other person. Because when you don't put yourself first, you fall. Yes, you do. Actually, you fall behind, and sometimes there's nobody there to pick you up. So let's get into it. So what is loving yourself? What is choosing yourself? What is putting yourself first? Before any other person. I've seen a lot of times people often put people first in their life. People often want to be called a good person. I'm a good person. A lot of times I've seen that people do that. People do things even when they're not comfortable with it because they're trying to become a good woman, a good man, a good boy, a good girl, you know? And because of the society that we have, people will guilt trip you to to neglect yourself and do for them, even when you're not okay. It's good to be good though, don't get me wrong. Yes, I'm a very good person. I try to help when I can, but I've learned over the years to always put me first. If I'm not comfortable with it, sorry, I can't help you. If I can, if I have abundance, if I know I'm okay and I have overflowing, yes, I will help. I will give. Definitely. I don't have a problem with that. But a lot of times, people who are struggling, people who are not even okay, they tend to want to show off. I don't know if it's show off. They tend to want to act like they are okay. No, you are not. Learn to say no. Learn to tell people no. You don't have it, you don't have it. You don't feel comfortable with it, you don't feel comfortable with it. I'm not saying for those people who are wicked. There are some people who are just wicked. They don't like to help anybody. It's a pain. When they help you, it's like a pain. No, I'm genuinely talking about people who love to help, people who are genuinely good, people who have a good heart. They love to help. That if they don't help, they always feel bad. They always feel some type of way that, oh, I wish I could help this person. Please do not. If you don't have it, don't feel too bad. You know what? You can't keep giving when nobody is giving back to you. You can't keep pouring out when nobody is pouring back to you, because trust me, the day your cups gets empty, a lot of times there's nobody to pour back into you, because they'll be like, well, I didn't ask her to help me. I didn't ask him to help me. Make sure you are okay before helping people. You first. You come first. Listen, I need you to know that. And also, you choosing you first boosts your confidence. It stops you from seeking validation from other people just because you're trying to be good. So you tend to want to seek validation. Oh, I want them to call me a good person because you want their validation. No. When you stand your ground, when you become firm with your decisions, you are very confident. And you putting yourself first doesn't drive people away. No, it doesn't make people stay away from you. It only drives away the people who are not meant to be. You choosing yourself, you knowing that, oh, I come first. Yes, it will keep a lot of drainers away from you. People that comes to drain you, people that want to drain. You have $1, they want to make sure they finish that $1 with you. No, it drives them away. They will stay because they know that, oh, this person is a good person. They know for certain that you're not bad, but you just have to choose yourself first a lot of times. Again, like I said, this is what people who are genuinely good people who love to help, people who cannot stand to see people suffer, not people who do good for the sake of it, who do good just to show off, who do good because they want people to call them good people, because, oh, let me just help, let me just do it for them, oh yeah, so they can call me a good person. Not genuinely from that. No, I'm not talking about those kind of people. I'm talking about good people, intentionally good people, yes, who feel guilty, they don't help people, who feel some type of way, who feel bad when they are unable to help people. I'm here to tell you, don't do that.